Keep getting that annoying 9203 error when firing up Genshin Impact on your computer? Don't stress. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy fixes for the 9203 error code in Genshin Impact on your PC. So let's dive right into the solutions without any delays. Solution 1. First, allow Genshin Impact to access the internet through the Windows Firewall. To do this, first right-click on Genshin Impact from your desktop. Then click on Open File Location. Now click on this bar and copy this file path. Now search for Firewall and click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now click on Allow an app through Firewall and then on Change Settings. Then click on Allow another app, then on Browse. Now click this bar here, paste the path we copied earlier and press Enter. From here, double-click on Launcher. Then click on Add. After that, check these boxes. Now just repeat the same step for Genshin Impact inside the Genshin Impact game folder. Make sure to do the same for the ZF Game Browser program. You can find it in the Plugins folder inside the Genshin Impact _data folder within your Genshin Impact game folder. Now just click on OK and reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, see if the error is gone. Solution 2. Changing your server location can help fix this issue as well. To do this, open up Genshin Impact Launcher, then click on Launch. Now before jumping into the game, click a different server. You can pick any server you want: Europe, America, Asia, Taiwan, Hong Kong, or Macau. Just switch to a different one than the server where you encountered the error. After that, click on Confirm to switch. Now fire up the game and see if the error is gone. Solution 3. If nothing helped, try repairing the game. To do this, open up Genshin Impact Launcher. Then click on this hamburger icon next to the launch button. Next, click on Repair Now. After that, click on Confirm to start the repair process. After the game resources are verified and repaired, click on Confirm and then on Launch. Now Genshin Impact will open up without showing the error. So that's how you fix error code 9203 in Genshin Impact on your PC. If the video did the trick for you, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks a lot for watching.